my recipe app design in Figma. By using AI from that design, we build this recipe app and getting the data from API. The best part, it takes me less than 5 minutes. Let me show you. Let's open the Figma. As you can see here is our full design. We have homepage and the details page. What we're going to do, we're going to select the homepage and export the design as a PNG. Click export. I'm going to create a new folder. Let's call it my recipe app and save it here. Do the same for the recipe app. Select it, export it as a PNG. Now let me go to the browser, type Nowa.dev. Click get started. I'm already logged in. Let's create a new cloud project. I'm going to call it my recipe app. It will take some time and it looks something like that. Now let's go to the chat tab. It's an AI chat. Make sure your homepage is selected and go to attachment. And we're going to add our homepage as a reference for the AI. From the prompt, ask the AI to build a recipe homepage exactly it shows on the UI image. And let's wait a bit. As you can see, it's working. Voila! As you can see, it built the app exactly how it shows on the UI image. That is impressive. Now let me build a details page. Go to the screen. Let's create a new screen. Call it recipe details page. And the procedure is same. Select the screen. Go to the attachment. Add our details page. Here is the details page. Open it and ask the AI to build it exactly it shows in the UI image. It's working. Let's wait a bit for the magic. Voila, it's done. Let me preview it. Okay, it looks much better. It's functional. I like it, but I'm not 100% satisfied with the result right now. If you look at our details page, as you can see, that section here, how it we have in the design, but that sector here is not exactly same. Okay, let's make it better. What I'm gonna do, take a screenshot of that part and select that part, go to the attachment, and I'm gonna select that image and ask the AI to design that bird like shows on the image. Exactly. As simple as let's wait for the result. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, it made it. Now let me review it. Look at this. Perfect. Now I'm really satisfied with the result. Let me take it to the next level. What I want to show data from API, not dummy data. For that, go to the new tab, search for dummy.json, go to the dummy.json.com, and as you can see, they have dummy data for recipes. Okay, nice. That is the API that worked for me. Let's copy the path and go to the editor's choice on AI. What I want here, getting this data from API, and I just pass my API URL. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's see what it does. Voila, it takes the API for me. Here is the response that dummy data gives me. Okay, nice. Let me hit next. Okay, it's create a model for me. Nice, really good. Yeah, the model looks good. Here's the path, also looks good. That's really good. Okay, let's wait and see what it does. Oh, I think it's done. Okay, nice. Those data is coming from API. That is really awesome. Love it. Okay, now let's take it to the next level. Same on the details page, show data from API, and when we hit the recipe from homepage, we want on details page shows its details, and it's obviously from API. And let's see what it does. Oh, it made a lot of changes. Okay, let's preview it. Oh my God, now everything is coming from API on the home page. Let's click that one. Okay, I think those are coming from API. Yes, it add creator and the tags. Okay, let's try another one. Yes, it's coming from the APIs. Nice. Okay, there's a one error we can see. Let's try to fix that one with AI. I'm gonna ask the AI to fix that issue. Also, I'm gonna ask it to add the instruction because we have instruction tab and it's not added. Okay, you say that chat is really big. Okay, let's create a new chat and yeah, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Okay, let's preview that one right now. Okay, we have to preview the homepage. Nice. Ah, error is gone. ingredient is coming. Yes, it has the instructions also. Nice. Now we have a complete recipe app. That is awesome. Not just that, want to check the code, you can do it. Go to the folder and you have the page and go to the code sector. The code is really well written. Even not just that, if you want to download the whole complete project, you can do it from here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.